Yo, what up, guys? Just got word right now from Adam that he pressing the ball joints and the wheel bearings. We're about to check it out. Go get him. Go get him. Alright, check it out. We got the new wheel bearing in there. That's a coil wheel bearing. And we got the Moog ball joint in as well on both of them. Bam. We got one control arm going up there, as you can see. I'm gonna show you how to place the, I don't really know what to call these, but how to place this inside. So pretty much there's two different sizes, so just go ahead, look at, it's supposed to fit snug in there. A larger one here, which goes for this side, that's the side of the ball joint. Just drop it in. It's supposed to, like, yeah, fit in there. Boom. And the same thing for the opposite side. That one goes there. So yeah, they'll sit like that. Get the bigger one, drop it in on the other side. Real simple. That's how it goes.
Spilling out that feeling while I'm staring at that ceiling in these lost dreams. No longer concealing that feeling, no, consider it appealing. I don't get caught up in your off schemes. I'm the controller of my own destiny. As soon as I realize that I become the beholder and attach the lesson to the rest of me. Come and get the best of me. No more fucking stressing me. Yeah, that's the rest. Hey, look, I'm spilling out that feeling while I'm staring at that ceiling. But I'm more than able to untangle these cables. But tricky triangle, try and see things from my angle. Been debatable, but haven't been able to burn my turntable stable without the needle. It's commendable, but the vinyl cut inside of my scratchy seal is deeper than most of these people. Holding on to signals and patterns. Feel like my pigment is picking it up from Jupiter or Saturn. Colorblind to these evil people. Please believe I only see you for what you are. I'm not sorry to show my scars. Don't be afraid of the dark. Without her, she wouldn't be able to spark the light. Line of sight, define me right, design me tight. Hey, when I first found this bittersweet, I could never deplete it. I tried to command X and then control alt delete it. I could never unweed it. Every time I tried to pull it up, it's
upper camber kits are installed, as well as the Cusco suspension. We had to throw some EG forks on in order to get this to work. On the EF chassis, the EF forks do not fit with EG suspension, so it's mandatory to use this. We threw on the front control arm. These are spherical as well, so check it out. That's gonna help with the 60-foot. Adam threw the ball joints in at work. He also threw the coil wheel bearing in as well. And we threw the tie rod on as well.
As a better man, I got better plans to lay for my head and hands. No longer play this game like a fucking fan. It's time to earn major dividends as an artisan. I got demands to run my hands through the sands in Japan. Damn, pan, I'm around the earth with the fam. Is that what you talking about? Have no doubts, take off and land. What's it really worth, man? How much do you really want to expand? I guess it truly depends on how many of your dreams you're trying to attain. So go ahead again, dive off the deep end. Listen to the message that I'm really trying to send. People live and die every day. At least learn to not be afraid. Open up to what your heart and mind will say. That's a major move in minor ways. I'ma dig deep, define it, try to find a way. Trying to find a balance in your counterweights. Run your fingers through your talent speed. Able to reach your outer gates. Hey, your mind will shake. Hit the chime and calm the quake. Take the time before too long it goes to waste. Get the scent and start the chase. Follow through and never wait. Make it happen, don't you ever weep. Play your part, you the captain, earn your keep. Take it slow and smart. Glued to your passion before you lay your heart and head to sleep.